Hi, good morning. It's Mr. Jason. I am reaching out to you guys from my bedroom, as you can see, to try and do something that you might be able to see me and we could talk about later on. I'm hoping to have a Zoom, which basically means a meeting with all of my friends from Harmony on Friday. And after that meeting with all the different teachers, I'd like to have a meeting with you guys and see if you guys want to come see me and maybe we can talk a little bit about what you've been doing or maybe even just share with all of our friends how much we miss each other. And so I'm hoping to get that scheduled and I will send out an email to your mom and dad later on and we will hopefully have a chance to do that this Friday. But in order to do that, I wanted to test something. I want to read you guys a book. You guys don't have to listen to it if you don't want to, but if you guys do, I have Frozen here. I was going to read it, and you guys can play this video and listen to me read, okay? All right, here we go. Scoot forward here. Frozen. The author of this book is Victoria Saxon. Author means the person who wrote it. And it was illustrated by Grace Lee. Now, Grace Lee is the illustrator. That means that she is the artist who drew all the pictures. She was also helped by two other people here, Andrea Cagello and Massimiliano Narcisco. I hope I didn't say their names wrong. Not long ago in the kingdom of Arendelle, summer had arrived. But it was winter inside the castle where Princess Elsa and Anna were playing. Elsa had magical powers and could create things out of snow and ice. She made a snowman named Olaf. Anna was delighted. Then Elsa accidentally hurt Anna. The king and queen rushed both girls to the mystical trolls in the mountains. The trolls cured Anna by changing her memories of Elsa's magic. They cautioned that others would fear Elsa's powers. To help her control it, Elsa's parents gave her gloves. With the castle gates closed, Elsa stayed away from Anna. She never wanted to hurt her again. But Elsa missed Anna, and Anna missed Elsa. Years later, the king and queen were lost at sea. Without their parents, both princesses grew lonelier and lonelier. Soon, it was time for Elsa to take over as queen. She was terrified that without her gloves, she might lose control of her powers in front of everybody. Anna, on the other hand, was excited to meet new people, especially a prince named Hans. They fell in love. Elsa gathered all her courage to take off her gloves and was successfully crowned Queen of Arendelle. With her gloves back on, Elsa stood before her people. But when Anna told Elsa she wanted to marry Hans, Elsa forbid it. How could Anna want to marry a man she had only just met? Frustrated, Anna tried to stop her sister and accidentally pulled off a glove. Without her glove and upset with her sister, Elsa accidentally exposed her secret powers. Ice and snow blasted from her hand, covering the kingdom. Fearing she might hurt someone and ruin her kingdom, Elsa fled. Anna thought it was her fault Elsa's powers had been revealed. She rushed off to find her sister. She hired a mountain man named Kristoff to be her guide. In time, Anna and Kristoff found a snowman named Olaf. He was alive. Anna remembered him and the good times she had shared with her sister. Olaf led the way to Elsa. Elsa was enjoying her time alone. Now she was free to create whatever she wanted. She built an ice palace. Anna begged Elsa to go home to thaw her frozen kingdom, but Elsa feared she couldn't control her powers. Angry and afraid, Elsa accidentally cast a magic freezing spell on her little sister. and then create a giant snowman. Anna and Kristoff ran. Olaf ran too. Anna's hair began to turn white. Kristoff led her to the trolls for help. The trolls advised only an act of true love can thaw a frozen heart. Anna needed hands for a true love's kiss. Quickly, Kristoff and Anna headed back to Arendelle. When Anna found hands, he refused to kiss her. His plan all along had been to take over the kingdom. Anna was crushed. Anna realized that Kristoff loved her. She needed all her strength to find him. Meanwhile, Elsa had returned to Arendelle to save her kingdom. But now she was in terrible danger. When Anna saw hands, she knew what she had to do. Anna saved Elsa. It was an act of true love between two sisters. Soon the ice melted, and Anna realized she was in love with Kristoff. As for Elsa, she became queen again, a good queen, who had learned from her sister that love was the key to controlling her powers. The end. I hope you enjoyed that little book there. It wasn't very long. I'm sorry I don't have very many books here at my house. All of my kids are a little old and grown up. This was one of 4 that I found that I could actually read you guys. All my other books are back in the classroom, which I can't get into at this time. So hopefully I will actually find more books around my house, or I will allow to go back to the classroom and get some books for you guys to read again. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, just let me know, and we can maybe do some more of these, okay? All right. Again, I will look forward to seeing you guys hopefully on Friday. I will let your mom and dad know what's happening in case you can and want to come together and see each other on a video kind of like this. All right. Have a great day. I miss you guys. Stay safe, be healthy, and stay happy.